We'll just take one last question, and then after that we'll break. Yeah. Everyone, can we?
Beg your pardon? Can we send you a note on that because it doesn't features?
Yeah, it's actually also in your press release. It's got all the features of the app are listed in the press release. And if you want a soft copy of that, you can. Anyway, if you've registered and left your email, we will be sending you a press kit, which has pictures, it has the video, and it has the features of the app. We'll take one last question.
See, what we've done is we've created stretching modules, we've created form modules. And because a runner is running at his ability, he's not pushing himself to do anything, there are very minimal chances of him getting injured. So one gets into physiotherapy essentially as a corrective therapy. Here there is virtually no scope for injury because you will be told, "Aap 1 minute bhagiye." Your 1 minute of running will be drastically different from, say, Usain Bolt's 1 minute of running. But it will work for Usain Bolt as well. He may do it really, really fast and cover lots of distance. But essentially, his body and your body will be equally challenged because it's time-based. So I don't see scope for injury out here at all. If the stretching routine and the running basics videos in the app are followed to the letter.
Great, thank you so much. What we are going to do is we're going to request...
can this be a regular thing? So maybe it was as a business person you thinking, or a love for fitness, or you wanted people to be fit actually?
Well, I definitely want to do my bit in encouraging more people to get onto the fitness journey. I think it's very important. It makes you live your life to the fullest. Being fit increases your mental capacity, increases your physical capacity. I've always been very passionate about fitness and technology. And for me, First Run, in fact, MobiFit, which actually launched First Run today, is the most natural progression for fitness and technology to come together.
What exactly, can you just tell us something brief, what is First Run all about, and what about this app? What is trying to...
I'll have Gaurav tell us about the app.
First Run is the product from MobiFit, whose purpose is to get people who have never run before, ever in their lives, who can run no more than even 1 minute for the first time, to have them running 30 minutes at a time, or almost about 5 kilometers, inside of about 9 weeks. So that's really our goal. And once they run those 30 minutes or 5 kilometers inside 9 weeks, we want to get them to step up to the next level, which is to go from 5 kilometers to 10 kilometers, and then hopefully from 10 kilometers to a half a marathon and then a marathon. So we really want people to run regularly, run joyfully.
ओके गुल आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कभी आप लद्दाख जा रहे हैं जिम लेके कभी आप ऐप के साथ आ रहे हैं सब सब हर जगह फिटनेस की बात कर रहे हैं कुछ और भी है क्या पाइपलाइन में once you're through with this people start liking
I'm not going to be through with this. I mean, I'm part of this company's present and future.
Yes, you are.
In time to come. But I think मेरा ये मानना है कि अगर हम मनुष्य पैदा हुए हैं तो हमें सिर्फ एक चीज़ ना करने की शायद हमें गलती नहीं करनी चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर हम सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ करते हो, अगर हम सिर्फ एक ही इंटरेस्ट से अपने आप को सीमित करें तो फिर हम में और पशुओं में क्या फ़र्क हुआ. Because we're human beings, I think we're all multifaceted. We must explore all our different interests. For me, fitness is an interest, adventure is an interest, cars and bikes are an interest. And wherever I can make my interests contribute to other people's welfare and happiness, I'm happy to do that.
Do you think the app is mind-blowing? Do you think there's a need to push it to another level by passing it to the children, especially the school?
Absolutely. I think to inculcate a sense of fitness and the importance of fitness at a young age is very important, and we will be coming out with a First Run version for children because I think it's very important to ingrain the love for fitness at a young age.
Do you plan to visit some schools also?
In time to come, yes. I think it's too premature to talk about that at this stage. We will have a lot of in-app features. The first version that we have focuses on the method, or as Gaurav said, the recipe of how to become a runner. And through the First Run website, we will be giving a lot of support in terms of fitness tips, eating tips alongside. But the app per se is actually a recipe on how to become a runner. मुझे अकेले दौड़ने में बहुत मजा आता है. मैं अकेले ही दौड़ना पसंद करती हूँ.
Okay, what's happening on Question Front? What's there in the pipeline? In Bollywood, you're through. The last we saw you in Ab Tak Chappan too.
I'm reading scripts. I still haven't found a script that's really truly interesting, and as and when I find one, I will definitely be in it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Something very sports concern actually that these days actually sports movies are also being encouraged. इस तरह से कुछ
There is something in scripting. I mean, not really sporty, but adventure-ish. So let's see. I mean, in time, I shall talk about that.
you are also writing a book on Twitter.
Yes. I'm almost done with it, and I have a little bit more of work to go. But I'd always envisioned my book to be supplemented by an app. It's not good enough to say go for a run. How to run is very important. So we will be, through MobiFit, we would be doing series of fitness apps which would complete the circle for any fitness book out there, and especially mine as well. Thank you very much. Thank you for coming.